To restore a DVR in case of a possible lock, we will consider the following. The DVR operates on a Linux platform and is very similar to a computer. The DVR may lock up if it has undergone physical modifications or if it has been repeatedly turned off incorrectly. To correct this problem, we need a high-capacity USB drive. Now go to portenntum.com and after logging in with your credentials, go to the support section and then to software. There, click on Provision ISR and you will see a list of software versions. We recommend downloading the file that corresponds to your DVR model and saving it to your USB drive. We recommend that the USB drive contain only the downloaded and extracted files. Now let's boot the DVR. To do this, turn off the DVR, insert your USB drive, and turn the device back on. When the recorder starts, it will boot from the inserted USB drive containing the downloaded files. This process may take 15 to 20 minutes. Once the process is complete, enter your credentials, and the device will recognize the connected devices. You will see the setup wizard on the screen with the factory settings.